Hey there, this is an unboxing video on a new Rubik's game that I don't know much about, but I thought we could learn together. It's called Rubik's Cage. Cage, the mind-bending, mind-turning challenge. Ages 7 and up, players, 2 to 4 players. And here it is on the back. It looks like it's sort of a cage frame of a Rubik's Cube, and you insert cubes in it. Let's open it up and give it a try. So inside is the game. And in it is this cube that turns. So this is pretty cool. I think even just as a plaything, not even as a game. But the way the game works is this is a cage and you open it up and we're gonna take out all of the pieces, and then this is just an empty cage. Each player takes a couple colors, and the goal is gonna be to drop the pieces into this cage and try to make 3 in a row. So on a player's turn, they can do one of the 3 things. They can drop a cube in, and if they're trying to make 3 in a row, if they want, they can turn a cube this way, perhaps to prevent another person from getting 3 in a row. The other thing you can do on your turn is you could flip it over and then change it again. And the goal is to get 3 in a row and not let your opponents get 3 in a row. But I gotta tell you, from my point of view, this is just a fun game to make cool patterns. And then this cage cover comes back on. It's sort of like a Connect 3, but Rubik's Cube style. I think this is kind of a fun toy, even without playing the game. I would actually keep this on my desk and just play with it. I don't get any money for the videos. I'm just trying to show some really cool new Rubik's Cube stuff. And so this is Rubik's Cage. Kind of a fun game. Hope you liked it. Bye.